Hi, I am Marcelo from Tomori, and today I am going to show you the project landing page on Gaia. So here's the project card, and then right on the top you can see the title of the project and then the description. On the right side you can rename the project and the description, and you can also delete the project here. And if you click on this button, of course, you can delete the project entirely. This is the last time this project was updated, today. And then you see the completion of the entire project. This is taking into consideration all steps in all target languages. In the progress session, you can see here the source language. In Gaia, all languages, they have the same format. So it's basically the flag and then the name of the language, the country, and then the code. And here you can see how many words in total, how many segments in total, how many of these segments are unique and how many of them are repeated. Finally, you can see if there are changes to the source content after the file was imported. And this is important because you know right away if you need to reassign this for translation. Right below, you can see the progress for Brazilian Portuguese. And there are three different bars here. The first one is for translation, the second is for review, and the third is for approved. And you can see also the percentage of completion right here. This section here, team, you can see who is assigned for each role for each language. So you can see here as a test, I am assigned to both translator and reviewer. But in Japanese, there's no translator or reviewer. So to assign someone, you just click on Add Translator, and then you add the display name and the email, and Gaia is going to send an email to this person automatically. On the right side, you see the actions. So there's the target language selection, and then you can select some actions for translate. So when you click on translate, there are 4 actions right now. The first is manual translation. The second is pre-translate. It means that you can select the content coming from the TM for this project specifically, or for all projects that you own. There you go. The third option is AI or machine translation. So if you have an API key for OpenAI or any other provider, you can do AI translations directly from the project card. Or if you want to use a free machine translation system, you can use that as well. Finally, you have clear targets, meaning that when you click on this, every content on the target field will be empty. The next button is upload. So you can use this to include new files to this project. And then you understand which files were imported by clicking on this button here, import history. If you click on view TM, this goes directly to the translation memory of this project. Clicking on view glossary has the same effect, but it goes to the glossary of the project. And finally, export original means that you're going to export the entire project as it is right now, even if it's not completed, to a series of different files. So this is it for the walkthrough of the project card, and I am going to create tutorials for each of these actions very, very soon. See you soon.